Letter A, what we're going to do is substitute some numbers on our X, that is our monthly payment, to get our Y, which is our time in years. So first we're going to do 4 numbers. We're going to do 2,000, 5,000, 3,000, and 10,000. So the ones we're going to do here are 2,000 and 10,000. First we're going to substitute, instead of putting the X, we're going to put 2,000 over 2,000 minus 1,250, and our answer is going to be 13.11. In this one, instead of putting 2,000, we're going to put 10,000. And 10,000 minus 1,250. And the answer is going to be 1.78. Okay, by substituting the answer, we got to the conclusion that if the monthly payment is smaller, the years are bigger. Here the monthly payment is higher and the number is smaller. Now that we have substituted all the numbers that we needed, we can graph it. So we know that in 2,000 is 13.11, in 3,000 is 7.20, in 5,000 is 3.84, and in 10,000 is 1.78. So the graph will look like this. So we can conclude that if the amount is less, the years will be higher. And that is how it goes.
In letter B, what we need to do is substitute the number they give to us in the X, which is 1,398.43. Our answer is equal to 30, but it's in years. So we multiply that times 12, and they give us the answer in months. With those 360 months, what we need to do is multiply that with the number they give to us. And our final answer is 5,003,434.8.
Letter C is like in letter B. What we have to do is substitute on the X our number that we want to know, our monthly payment of 1,611.19 on both places where the X was. So our answer is 19.98, but this is time in years, and we want it in months. So what we have to do is multiply this number by 12, and it's 238.8. So now we have this number, and what is left to do is multiply this number by this first number to get our total, our final answer. That is 238.8 times 1,611.19, and our final answer is going to be 384,752.17, and this is our final answer for number C.
Okay, this is a problem letter B, and on this problem we need to find the instantaneous rate. So, first of all, we know that the derivative of ln is u prime over u. So, that means that because we have a fraction, we need to use the quotient formula. So, the first step is to leave your base alone outside the parentheses. Your second step is to apply your quotient formula, which is v times u prime minus u times v prime over v squared. So we need to find our v's and our u's. So our v is equal to x minus our v prime is 1, because you cancel this and the derivative of the x alone is 1. Our u is equal to x and our u prime is equal to 1. So with these numbers, we need to apply them to the formula, which is and we need to leave our base number outside the parentheses. So then you need to cancel your x, and you have a negative 1,250 minus our v squared. So we need to have in mind that this number is going to be over 1. When we do our FOIL method, we have negative 16,718.75 over, and 1 times this is the same, so we have x minus 1,250 squared. Now, this is your u prime, so we need to put it inside the derivative of that ln, which is u prime over u. So it's gonna be negative 16,718.75 over x minus 1,250 squared over our u, and our u is equal to x over x minus 1,250. So this, we put it over here. And we do tortilla method. We do the tortilla method. This is the answer that we have. So now we need to cancel one of the x minus 1,250 with this, and then we have so when you have your final formula, you just plug in the x's the numbers they give to you, and that's your instantaneous rate. And this is your second x.
The benefits of having a higher monthly payment is that the higher amount of money you pay per month, the faster you will finish paying your home mortgage. For example, if you pay $10 per month for your house, you will finish in more time. And if you pay a higher amount of money per month, you will finish faster and you will get rid of that problem. Also, the reason that this will be more beneficial for the customer is that it will be easier for him to handle his money, knowing that he will stop paying soon. The customer will handle its money more carefully and intelligently because of having to save it to pay the monthly mortgage. By this, I mean that the first investment after earning the money will be on the house before spending it on other unusual objects.